I'm a model. He's the man model. Work it, baby, work it. Welcome back, guys. Day 2, Saturday morning, and the boys just done the drivers briefing. Mitch is racing first this morning, so he's going to whap out a couple of laps, and then we're going to take off on the drive. It's a bit over an hour to Scotty's garage, so that should be awesome. So yeah, hopefully I can stay consistent, get back out there, do a couple of runs, and yeah, it'd be good to cruise together. Mitchie going at 8:58 there. I missed the first run. He must have got through real quick. So yeah, off for the cruise now. So should be really good. Hopefully get some good footage. See some tough cars out there and see a heap out at the stop and actually try and chill out there for a little bit. Maybe grab a drink. Time to go on the cruise route. Once Mitch fucking chooses the app to run his car, his electric app.
Yeah, Speedo. Legal.
Is that your
Speedo.
EV, bro?
Who?
Plug in your EV so your car can work.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll plug my phone in.
Let's roll! Oh, the favourite part of the weekend there, Corey. We need more smelly stuff than that. Pour it all in. Way to make an entrance, eh?
I need a pop or valve now.
It's supposed to be a crackle pop tune, not just a pop tune. I'm a model. He's the man model. Work it, baby, work it. Yeah, we okay. Batty boys. Batty bum boys. Batty's a batty bum boy.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just trying to get my computer to work.
Queensland weather we've got here. Street car life, Mitchie.
Yeah. Street car.
Oh, we're getting beaten by Yaras.
Actually, I think that Yaris is faster.
really. He could just give me $5 and we could call it even. That way eBay, fucking YouTube wouldn't take a big chunk. That's alright. We'll get it back out of him. Mitchie's got 2 channels, but he doesn't run one anymore. Oopsie, someone wasn't paying attention to the fucking cruise route. Oh look, my phone's a zebra.
Zebra?
Yeah. Black lines all through it. Oh, we don't get to go over the craziest, bumpiest road.
The jumps.
The whoops.
If anyone knows this road, no, there's a good jump if you don't slow down.
The whoop whoop. Whoop 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 whoop.
You got to slow down to 40. It says 40, do 40. Go slower. 100, you will launch to intersect the whole area. It's scary. Kids think it's fun though. No wonder we haven't seen the cars.
No, it's only just back here.
You really can't turn these tyres.
Put some air in them. We're on a golf track.
Oh, that's really bad.
Oh, at least they mowed for us.
Made the road a little wider. There's the middle one up there. We need to do a $60 long way to drive, $60. Yeah. Otherwise I'll be
Why not, eh? Oh, a few jumps up here.
Look, with my track record at the moment, the way I'm driving, they're going to crash. Yeah, we started seeing the other cars, except one other idiot.
Oh yeah, you get air on that one for sure.
I think a few of these, that last one too, all that one. This one would be a good one to get it on.
It's in the corner. Yeah, handbrakey.
Oh, what? Nah, turns.
Whee! Oh no, joking. day going, Mitchy? You having fun?
Yeah, except I don't know how to do a brake skiddy thing and I can't do a burnout.
Yeah, Mitchy can't skid when he drops the tyres down to 20 psi and then does not pump it back up for the road cruise.
Yeah, I can't drive.
But what did you do? PB'd Mitchy?
Oh, 8.4.
840. Nice cold car, ripped out 840. I missed it, of course, because he ripped out too quick. Left up here, Mitchy.
Yeah, typical me pulling out quick.
Oh,
Oh, where are we going now?
left. I think we're going the right way. Woo-hoo-hoo, finally.
Yeah, finally.
Until we end up on this dirt road up here.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. To James. Love baby. Oh, that's nice.
We went the long way.
I'm fucking out of good cars, eh?
There's me parked over there.
I'll fit in with the old fashioned thing, eh? It'll cut itself off.
Made it, Mitchy.
Just.
So we made it out to Scotty's garage. So Scotty from Carnage, apparently he's got a secret garage up here in Queensland that he keeps just on the side. No jokes, that's a silly joke. We wouldn't come out here if it was.
What?
No, don't. Like, you don't listen to my joke. You don't get to be involved. I'm not repeating it. All right. Famous now. Infamous. bad spot. A little piece of paradise. Well, you're sitting by the fire, mate. You and your mate.
I was cold.
Oh, Wolfgang over here. What's up, buddy?
Couple of them.
Hey. Just chilling. Oh, they're everywhere. Papoville. Hello, Papos. Where's your ball? Yeah, give me the ball. Give it to me. Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Bring it here. Give me the ball. Give me that ball. Come on. Give me that ball. Where's my ball? Give me that ball. Give me that ball. He won't give me the ball. WTS, I want wiring tuning solutions. Corey, how are your drinkies last night? You having fun or what? How's dad life? Dad life's got him. born around it. Oh wait a minute, that's around the wrong way.
Ready?
So wait a minute, that's around the wrong way. Born to be wild. Born to be wild. bit wet. It's about 1:30, so hopefully forecast says this is about the end of it by around about 2 o'clock. Hopefully it can dry the track up and Corey can get out for a run. Otherwise, no more first position. That's all part of it. It's all part of drag and drive life. Oh, poor H. Look at ya. You poor old darling. Hey, poor old darling. Ridden hard and put away wet. Well, guys, as you can see, the rain has not eased up. It's gotten worse. So today's been called. So they'll just save it for tomorrow morning. So we're going to get a feed, go and get some barbecue, have a couple of drinks and chill out. Up, 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 up. Jeez. Can we just play around the water or what? I might just have a swim. Oh.
I'll park right in this thing.
Ah!
Corey. Yeah, is it turbo?
Just a little wet. Oh, they're having a party for me. Get in your belly. Fat boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do, buddy? Barbecue. Fat boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when you need barbecue? And Warwick's too far away. You're gonna go to Fat Boys and get some barbecue, some slow cooked meat, and a cold beverage. Mitchie can't park. Oh,
I'll park up
what a worry. He's a worryless kid.
Front car behind. Fuck.
And thanks for watching, guys, if you made it this far. So that was Saturday of Drag Challenge road trip. Unfortunately, not a heap of racing because we were out on the cruise while the first session was going on, and then obviously rained out. But plenty in the next day. Thanks for watching. Bye.